Introducing the E-Cloth Hob and Oven Pack, which includes one dual-sided hob and oven cloth and one glass and polishing cloth. A specially developed pack for challenging, really tough, stuck-on grease and grime. So how does it work? The dual-sided hob and oven cloth features stripes of tough, non-scratch scrubbing fibres. Just wet under the tap, squeeze out excess water, fold, and effortlessly loosen and lift stubborn grease and grime from in and around the hob and oven. Then use the smoother side to remove loosened debris for a final thorough clean. The dry glass and polishing cloth can then be used to dry and shine the damp surfaces. The exceptional performance of the glass and polishing cloth creates an outstanding polished finish on all glass, stainless steel and ceramic hobs, leaving them sparkling and smear-free. And remember, all E-cloths are guaranteed for 300 machine washes, so you can use them time and time again, and find out why E-cloths are the revolutionary way to clean.